Good morning students. Welcome back to Max online class. Today I am going to teach mensurations. In the mensuration, first I am going to explain introduction and Heron's formula. First, what is mensuration? Mensuration is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of areas and volumes of different kinds of geometrical shapes. It is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of areas and volumes of different kinds of geometrical shapes. In the lower class also you have learned that. Is it measurement, mensuration, everything? You have learned that. Okay. In this year you are going to study about the area of triangle. Okay. First I am going to explain area of triangle. First, Heron's formula. Heron's formula. If A, B, C are the sides of triangle, three sides A, B, C are the sides of triangle, the area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square units. Area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here what is S? S is the semi-perimeter of triangle. S is the semi-perimeter of triangle. That is, we have to add the sides. Side we have to add and divided by 2. That is S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Now, first area of equilateral triangle. Same formula also we can use. Otherwise, separate formula also is there. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Here root 3 is equal to root 3 value 1.732. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. Have you all understand? Area of equilateral triangle is equal to, what's that? Root 3 by 4 A square. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Next, area of right triangle is equal to, what is area of right triangle? Area of right triangle is equal to half into base into height. This formula already you have learned. Okay. In the scale and triangle also you can use the same formula. If the base and height, if we know, we can use the same formula for area of triangle also. Okay, area of triangle, scale and triangle also same formula, half into b into height we can use. If we know the base, b is the base and height is the height. If we know the base and height, we can use the same formula for area of scale and triangle also. Have you all understand this? First, what is Heron's formula? Heron's formula. Using Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square units. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, S is equal to root of, okay, area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square unit. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Clear this? Now I am going to explain. Example 7.1. The length of the sides of a triangular field are 28 meter, 15 meter and 41 meter. Calculate the area of the field. Find the cost of leveling the field at the rate of rupees 25 meters square. First we want to find out here. We have already given three sides. These three sides we can take. A is equal to 28 meter, B is equal to 15 meter, C is equal to 41 meter. Okay. Given sides we can take A, B, C. Let A is equal to 28 meter, B is equal to 15 meter, C is equal to 41 meter. Here we want to find out S. S is equal to, what's the formula for S? Yeah, A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C means perimeter. Okay, A plus B plus C by 2 means semi-perimeter. Okay, A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 28 plus 15 plus 41 by 2. Here 28, 15, 41. When we are adding 8 plus 5, what's that? 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 84. It's equal to 84 by 2. 84 by 2, 42. S is equal to 42. Okay. Next, what's the area of triangle? By Garon's formula. Area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S in place what we have to use? 42. A in place 28, B in place 15, C in place 41. So what we are getting? 42 into 42 minus 28 into next 42 minus 15 into 42 minus 41. Have you all understand? S into 42 into 42 minus 28, S minus A. Next S minus B means 42 minus 15. 42 minus 41, S minus C. Okay. Next, it's equal to root of 42 into 42 minus 28. What we will be get? 42 minus 28. 14 into next 42 minus 15. 7, 27 into 42 minus 41, 1. 42 minus 41, 1. Next, we have to factorize. Before, if we can multiply and factorize also. That is difficult. Okay, for doing that is difficult. So, first itself, factorize this 42, 17 and 27. When we are 42, when we are factorizing 42, what we are getting? Which table we can factorize? Yeah, 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2. Next, can be factorized again? Yeah, which table? Yeah, 3 tables. 7 3s are 21. Next again, 7 tables. So, 7 1 7 is 7. So, root 42 in place, what we have to write? 2 into 3 into 7. Next number, what's that? Root 42 after 14. When we are factorizing 14, what we are getting? 2. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 7 1 7 is 7. So, 2 into 7. Next, which number is there? Next, which number? Yeah, 27. When we are factorizing 27, yeah, 3 table we can factorize. 9 3s are 27. Again we can factorize with 3 table. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 3 1. Okay, so we can write 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3. Now, we have to take that pair number together. 2 into 2. What we can write? 2 into 2. What we can write? Yeah, 2 square. Next, 3 into 3. What we can write? 3 into 3. 3 square. Next is 7 into 7. What we can write? Yeah, 7 square. Here 3 into 3. What we can write? 3 square. It's equal to, so here square root and square will be cancelled. Everything square number, everything having pair. So what can we write it? 2 into 3 into 7 into 3. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, multiply after also you can factorize. That is difficult to do. For that, before multiplying, you can factorize that. Factorizing time, 42 factorizing time, 2 into 3 into 7. 14 when we are factorizing 2 into 7. 27 when we are factorizing 3 into 3 into 3. Now we want to take the pair number together. So 2 into 2, 2 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. 7 into 7, 7 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. So we are getting 2 into 3 into 7 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are, what's that? 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. Next 42 into 3. 42 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 4 3s are 12. What's the answer? 126. 126 meters square are square meters. Okay, 126 meters square are square meter. Now, what is the question? In the question, what is given? Cost of leveling per square meter. What is given? Find the cost of leveling the field at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. Per meter square rupees 20. We want to find out the total cost of leveling. We want to find out the total cost of leveling. So, cost of leveling per meter square. Is equal to rupees 20. Now, we want to find the total cost of leveling the field. Total cost of leveling the field. How we can find out? Total area is 126. Cost of leveling per meter square rupees 20. This both also we have to multiply. So 126 into 20. Total cost of leveling per meter square. 126 into 20. When we are multiplying, what we are getting? 126 into 20. 126 into 20. So 0 here we can write 6 2s are 12. 1 balance. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 1 2 is 2. It's equal to rupees. Cost means we want to write it in rupees. Equal to rupees 2520. Rupees 2520. Clear? Is it clear? Have you all understand this? Okay. Next example 7.2. 3 different triangular plots are available for sale in a locality. Each plot has a perimeter of 120 meter. Each plot also perimeter 120 meter. The side of the lengths are also given. We have to find out. Help the buyer to decide which among these will be more spacious. We want to find out which plot is here. 3 shapes. First right angle triangular plots, acute angle triangular plots, equilateral triangular plots. We have to help the buyer to decide which among these will be more spacious. The question is, help the buyer to decide which among these will be more spacious. Okay. First we can take right angle triangle plot. Okay. Here you know that anyway what is the measurement? 30 meter, 40 meter, 50 meter. So you know that hypotenuse is the longest distance, isn't it? So 50 meter. Here that 30 meter and 40 meter you can take anyway. Here 30 meter or here 30 meter. Okay, base 30 meter or height 30 meter. Here also base 40 meter or height 40 meter. Like that also you can take it. Here both the method also you can do. Heron's formula you can use, or area of triangle, right angle triangle. What's the formula? Half into B into H. I am using half into B into H formula. Area of right angled triangle is equal to half into B into H. If you are using Heron's formula means here this on A, B, C. Like that you can take afterwards semi-perimeter and you can do. And if you are using that method or this method, same answer you will be get it. Half into base in place 40, height in place 30. 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 0. So when we are multiplying 20 into 30, 3 2s are 6, 0, 0, 600 meters square. Area of right triangle is 600 meters square. Next one, acute angled triangle. Second one, acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle means we can say which one also? Acute angled triangle or which one? Scallop triangle, like that also we can say that. Next, acute angled triangle. Here 3 sides given. One you can take A, B, C, like that you can take it. Here you cannot use half into B into H formula. Here right angle triangle, so I have used this. But the same formula S is equal to A plus B plus. Heron's formula you can use right angle triangle also. Okay. Here I am using, first let A is equal to 35 meter, B is equal to 40 meter, C is equal to 45 meter. What's the semi-perimeter? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Is equal to 35 plus 40 plus 45 by 2. When we are adding 35, 40, 45, 0, 10. Next 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 4, 8, 12. So 120. It's equal to 120 by 2. Equal to 60. What's the semi-perimeter? S is equal to 60 meter. S is equal to 60 meter. Next, area of triangle is equal to root of, what's the formula? By Heron's formula. S is equal to S into S minus root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What is S? S in place 60. Here 60 minus, what is A? 35 meter. Next, what is B? 60 minus B in place, what we can write? 40. Next, S in place 60 minus C in place what we can write? What is C? 45. C equal to root of 60 into 60 minus 35. 25. 60 minus 40. 20. Into 60 minus 45. 50. Okay. Now what we can do that? After multiplying also you can factorize. You want to find out the square root of this number. For that first we have to factorize this. 60 factorizing time 2 table. 3 2s are 6 0. Next again we can factorize with 2 table 50. Again we can factorize with 3 table 5 3s are 15. Again we can factorize with 5 table 1 5 is 5. So this 2 into 2 we can write 2 square into 3 into 5. 2 square into 3 into 5. Next 25 means 5 5s are 25. So we can write 5 square. Next 20 in place. 20 means 10. Next 2 5 2s are 10 5 1. So we can write 2 square into 5. Next 15. Here we can write 5 into 3. So it's equal to, when we are taking the pair number together, what we are getting that? Already 2 square we had written. 2 square. Here 5 square into 2 square. This square number first I have written. 2 square, 5 square. Next into 2 square. Next here 3 into 3. This both also we can write together. This both also pair numbers. So when we are writing 3 square. Next this 5 into 5 what we are getting? 5 square. 5 into 5 5 square. Next one more 5 alone having here. That 5 itself we want to write this 5. Okay, this 5 not having the pair. That only we want to write this 5 not having the pair. So that 5 alone we have to write it. So what we are getting? Here square and square root will be cancelled 2. Here what will be get? 5. Here what will be get? 2. Square root of 2 square is equal to 2. Square root of 3 square is equal to 3. Square root of 5 square is equal to 5 root 5. Clear this? Okay. This number square root of 2 square 2. Square root of 5 square 5. Square root of 2 square 2. Square root of 3 square 3. Square root of 5 square 5. This 5 alone we want to write it. This 5 alone inside the square root we have to write it. Clear? This 5 alone. So 2 5s are, what we are getting? 2 5s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 into 3 60. 60 into 5 300. 300 root 5. Here what's the value of root 5? What is the value of root 5? Are you know? Yeah, root 5 is equal to 2.236. So when we are multiplying, what we are getting? 300 into 2.236. 300 into 2.236. Multiplying time 2.236 into 300. 0 0 6 3s are 18. 1 balance. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 1 balance. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 3 2s are 6. How many digits before we have to write the decimal points? 1 2 3. 3 digits. From the left right side we want to count the decimal point. 3 digits before when we are writing the decimal point. What's the answer? 670.8 meter square. Okay, 670.8 meter square is the answer. Clear this? Next, third one, equilateral triangle. Third one, what's that? Equilateral triangle. Next, third one, equilateral triangle. This here also perimeter is 120 meter. Next, length of the sides. All the sides are equal. Equilateral triangle means all the sides should be equal. So here I am taking let A is equal to 40 meter. Let A is equal to 40 meter. So area of equilateral triangle, what's the formula? Here also you can use the Karungal's formula. A is equal to 40, B is equal to 40, C is equal to 40, like that take it, and you can use Karungal's formula also. From the Karungal's formula only, we are taking area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Root 3 by 4 A square. What's the value of root 3? 1.732 by 4. Already I have explained that root 3 is equal to 1.732. What's the value of root 5? 2.236. What's the value of root 3? This you want to be remember this. Root 3 value 1.732. Root 5 value 2.236. One more root 2 value 1.414. What's the value of root 2? 1.414. This everything you want to be remember this. A is equal to A in place 40. When we are cancelling 1 4 is for here 1 4 is for 0. So multiplying with 10 means 17.32. 17 point. Listen here. Here A square no. So one more 40 we have to write it. So multiplying with 10 means 17.32 into 40. 17.32 into 40 means 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 balance, 7 4s are 28 plus 1 29, 2 balance, 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 2 6. How many digits before we have to write the decimal points? 2 digits before. So the answer is 692 meter square. Okay, clear this? 692.8 meter square. Okay, clear? First, what we got it for right angle triangle, what's the area? Right angle triangle, what's the area? Right angle triangle. Area is equal to 600 meters square. If you need, you can use Karungal's formula and to do it. Okay. So 600 meters square. Acute angle triangle, what's the area? 670.8 meters square. What's the equilateral triangle area? 692.80 meters square. Which area is spacious? Which one is? Both, everything. The three also perimeter is same. But the area for equilateral triangle, the area should be this only spacious. This plot, equilateral triangular plot is spacious. Okay. Clear this? Therefore, the equilateral triangular, the area of equilateral triangle is greatest among these. among these. Therefore, the buyer can be suggested to choose this equilateral triangular plot. Okay. Equilateral triangular plot. Have you all understand this? Okay. Now I am giving two problems as homework. You want to complete the homework problem. Exercise 7.1. First problem. Using Arrow's formula, find the area of triangle whose sides are 10 cm for 24 cm, 26 cm. And the second problem. Okay, this one we can do in the classwork. You want to do here first problem and second problem. The sides of the triangular grounds are 22 meter, 120 meter, 122 meter. Find the area and cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. First find total area. Afterwards we want to find out the total cost for leveling we want to find out. Can you able to do these two problems as homework? Okay, thank you students.